Hello guys, today me and Jacob are back, and today we are going to be playing Flood Skateboard. Stop it. No. Oh no, I hate this one. This one's the worst. Get it, guest? The guests sacrificed themselves.
No, guest is back.
Oh, the guest is alive? Some guests are lit. Others are not. That's a good lit guest. I love lit guests. Okay, I need to get my gravity sword and dash. What does this do? There we go, I got my thing. Yay, 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 yay. Yeah! No guest. Don't leave me. I'm alive. Spectate me, Jacob. Oh, it shows a particle. It shows like a thing behind you when you run now. I might have to be a dick and do this. Oh, hell yeah. Good boy, guest. Need it. Yay! No! I'm dead. The guest took him out too. And yeah. 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 That guest is cool. I like him. He's lit. He's lit. He's lit. Frippity frip frap frip 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 frap frip 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 frip. First one.
No, guest, don't kill me.
You're lit, but don't. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard. Yeet, yeet. I just took an L.
Josh,
I'm alive, don't worry. I just fell down.
guest, grab my hand. Guest.
Oh, did he die? I like that guest. It was the only cool guest that I've ever seen. Because most of the time, guest. Bleep! Shut up. Well, basically, they're annoying. They don't help. But this guest, he was lit. In the
Remember the guest that worked at Pizza Place?
Yeah. No, I didn't.
Where'd he go?
No one pressed that button that.
Where?
I'll get it. Sacrifice myself!
How do we get up there?
There's a button. To press it.
Josh,
Oh!
die.
Get on those things! Oh.
No!
Did you run off?
Josh,
I'm not dead yet.
I jumped and I hit the ceiling.
To see the wizard. I want to go wizard of us. Coda. Awesome.
Come on, Josh.
Ah!
It's probably all of them. Josh, keep pressing buttons. Josh, press the button.
only got one of them. Well, at least I'm happy to know that I did better than Jacob. Where's the guest? Is that him? Come on, guest. Yeah! Blood sword for 65. Nope. Oh, I hate ice. Ice is the worst. I mean, I love being cold. I love the cold, but I hate ice. Yeah, I love being, like, in real life, if I rather be super, like, hot in bed, like, oh, the blankets are just, like, burning up, I'd rather be freezing cold. I'm the unicorn.
Mine sparkles.
I'm a Barbie dunk in a dunky world. Oh, China! No. Jake, you have to run. I ran.
I run. Ooh.
Rock the sea, the wizard. I'll get it. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. Yay! First. Ski poles. Yay! Almost got it. There we go.
I fell.
We fell too. Damn it.
Damn it, Josh. Everything's alone now.
You're gonna die. I'm sorry to tell you, but you are. It's facts. Off to sea. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. No! There you go. Oh, I jumped on someone's head. That was cool. I hate the green particles.
Why is it ice again?
Okay.
I'm not dying. I watched the
Hashtag Baywatch. First.
Sparkles.
I'm gonna take out my sparkles. No particles. Thank you. Oh, she did barely make it. Off to see the wizard. The wonderful wizard. Yeah. And then there's a bridge to go to the other one. Boop. Boop, boop. I kinda want her to die, so it's just me and you. Just die, 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 die. She did. Damn it. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard.
Nope. Alright, what do you do
No. Jacob! I will survive
now?
for in your name.
Yes.
What are those? I am a survivor. Oh, yep. It just depended on when. Gonna beat you. My jump is like what? I just jump first.
Crazy. Off the wall. Flat.
I hope you trip. Oh, I know a secret to this. Jacob, I'll get it. Don't worry. Go right here and jump. First. things. Sparkles. Sparkles. First. I gotta do this fast, Jacob. No mistakes. I messed up. No. Oh! Look at that skill.
Alright, what are we gonna do?
Look at that skill, guys.
Come on. Come back. Come back! It's
Press
back.
right click. So your mouse doesn't. Press right click so your mouse doesn't stick. And move. Just press right
No, it's not that. This is I wanted my speed thing to come back like really fast.
click. I know, but it doesn't come back.
So I can go.
Oh. That's cool. You can get 2 lives per game. Round and round, round and round, round and round and round. Yay! No! No!
I love you.
We both are. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. Off to save the wizard. The wonderful. Easy ones are the easiest to win.
I am escaping. Flash,
Cool.
Let me out of this box. Hard down.
Why do we have to click again? Yay. What are those? What are those? First. Off to save the wizard. First.
Go.
Yay. Aw.
No, wrong thing. That's not the graphic photo. That's that trophy.
Jake, once you get to the 3rd button. No, you don't need to press that one.
Where'd it go?
You have to go to that one.
Which one?
Speed and then jump up to the ledge. There you go. Now run, Jacob!
I'm trying, bitch.
You could. Go, Jacob. I don't want you to die. Go! Dude, it's coming fast! Run! Yeah. Okay, I'll work on the one on the right. Got mine.
Wrong one. Josh, stop. I got this.
Nice.
Stop it.
We're gonna die!
Alright, Josh, start spamming buttons. Quick.
Wait, what if it's just that one? Or that one? Or that one?
Oh!
Run! Yeah. Yay!
Alright, we'll do 2 more.
Okay. This is very fun. So far we have 3 videos. We need to make
4.
4 more. For that. So there's a Monday we have to make 7 videos. We don't need that. Just sprint and jump.
Got it.
Good. You fall. I'm lagging right now. Yay! Got it. Don't die, dude.
I can't go back to gym.
You got this, Jake. Go, 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 Power Ranger. Don't die, Jake. Yeah, there's a button somewhere. There it is. Eat it?
Oh, no. Oh, that was
Hello. Press the button. Sorry. Flash of the lights. Rock to save the wizard.
right up there. Right, I messed it up.
Yeah. Hello. I died. Let's do 3 more. Oh yeah. Before you have to go practice. We have 3 hours to make 4 videos. Oh, I love this one. You don't need to press any buttons. You just gotta run and jump. I don't have my speed. Please, speed. Come. Speed. Don't betray me, speed. Yeah! 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 First. You were second. We're off to see
Yeah,
the...
you were second.
You were second. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Die, 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 die. Yeah.
Y'all need to chill.
I'm on high speed roofies.
Go, Josh.
Go this way. Jump, 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 jump. First. Second. Only me and you, bro. It's about to be only you, bro. Same. Hang on. Whoa. Okay. Oh, I think we should just speed quickly. Yeah! I did. I want to do one more. We have to finish this off with a win. Okay. We have to finish this one off with a win. Okay. Rock the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. No worry. Good boy, guest. Because he is.
Here, dog.
What? Duncan standing right there. Watch your side.
Come on, Guesty boy. You doing, Guesty boy?
Aw. Rip. Mm. Mm.
Again?
Again?
How many times are we gonna get the
Until we complete it.
Joshua? Getting out of the way.
Why do you go?
Josh, no.
Why do you go?
Murder me.
Why do You go that way.
Murdered me.
Why did you go that way? Oh jeez, I made it.
Why'd you murder me?
Got that one.
I haven't murdered me.
I escaped.
Hold it down.
I escaped. Ooh, bonus round. That's 17 seconds to do or another game. Yeah. 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 Go. Go. I completed in 13.8 seconds. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Stop the video.